Welcome to Conversations in Automation with C&E Advanced Technologies. I'm Donnie Bischoff, and we're excited today to host Senta Carlson with Murrplastik. Senta, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about Murrplastik?
Murrplastik is a German company, and we're headquartered in a small village in southern Germany. Our US headquarters is right outside of Cincinnati, and we provide cable management solutions and cable protection.
Can you tell us a little bit about your role and yourself?
Yeah, so I've been with Murrplastik for about 5 years, but in this particular role only for about a year. And I'm the area sales manager, basically for the territory that C&E is covering and a little bit beyond that. I go out to customers, I present our products, and I try to see where our products can make their lives easier, where it can improve their processes, reduce downtime, these kinds of things. In my relationship with distributors, my role is a little bit more like a product specialist. So I support my distributors when they have customers that need my input on our products, if they have customers that need training with our products, basically any application where they need like more extensive product knowledge, that's where I come in.
So Senta, can you tell us about some ways you're partnering with C&E in general to help out our customers, the end users?
With C&E, I work a lot with the technology consultants that are the account managers that have the relationships with all the accounts. So they usually know, like what is hot for the customer, where are their needs, do they have a new project, do they need help with, cable management? And that's when they contact me to come in and give more of my, in-depth knowledge about the product. So a lot of times, we look at applications and we figure out, hey, how is the best way we can route this cable? How is the best way we protect this expensive cable? So, like we reduce downtime for the customer.
Can you give me an example of a trending need in the market and what Murrplastik can do to take care of that need? Something hot right now?
So I think a lot of companies have already experienced a labor shortage, and that's why there is a trend in automating certain processes and bringing robots onto the floor for certain repetitive tasks. Murrplastik offers robotic dress packs which help route and protect cables on robots. So the dress packs are actually a really integral part in robotic automation for customers.
So what about Murrplastik dress packs in particular make them stand out against the competition?
There's a couple of things. So first of all, we make our own conduit. So the conduit that we make is high flex with a high corrugation. We're using a modified PAE. We have lots of flexibility in how we design our conduit in order to withstand the challenges a robotic application will put on the conduit.
So with COVID, one of the verticals that we've seen really sustain the down economy is food and beverage. So within food and beverage, what does Murrplastik have to offer?
Yeah, so food and beverage is actually also a big growth market for us. We have a few different products that are good for food and beverage customers. We have FDA compliant cable entry plates. They are made from stainless steel, and then the spittable grommets are made from an FDA compliant TPE. We have detectable labels. Basically, they are magnetic. If they ever fell into a machine, you would be easily able to detect it. We have a laser marking system that is able to engrave onto stainless steel plates. Any type of labeling that needs to be a hygienic design can be labeled with that laser engraver.
So C&E and Murrplastik recently partnered together on an account here in our home state. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So the customer has a really interesting application. They are doing autonomous MIG weld cells. So they have developed a software that can program the robot on the fly to weld certain parts. Well, that's really interesting from a labor point of view because you don't need a robot programmer anymore. It is a very challenging application for a dress pack, just because the software doesn't think about, okay, how do I want to move the robot most smartly? The software will just move it. So it's very unpredictable movement, lots of rotational degrees, and the need for a good dress pack that can withstand all this and protect the cables is really important.
So Senta, thanks for coming today in this Intelligent Studio. We really appreciate your time. You did a phenomenal job. Thanks for being a part of this.
Oh, thanks for having me. I'm really excited to be part of the first episode of Conversations in Automation.
Thank you for joining us in this Intelligent Studio. If you have any more questions for Murrplastik or Senta, please reach out to your technology consultant and they'll be happy to help.